Welcome to Future Fuel, where we explore the latest and greatest innovations in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Honda Accord, a sedan that continues to set the benchmark in its class. The Honda Accord has been a household name for decades, and for 2025 it proves once again why it's a leader in the mid-size sedan segment. With a bold redesign, cutting-edge technology, and refined performance, this year's Accord is a true game-changer. Let's start with the exterior design. The 2025 Honda Accord features a sleeker and more aerodynamic profile. Honda has given it a low, wide stance, creating a sportier and more aggressive look. The front grille is sharper and more modern, flanked by slimmer LED headlights that emphasize its confident persona. The rear design is equally striking, with taillights that now wrap elegantly around the body, giving it a cohesive and premium aesthetic. Honda offers a range of new colors for 2025, including vibrant metallic and pearl finishes that add an extra touch of sophistication. Alloy wheel designs are available in various sizes, up to 19 inches, ensuring that the Accord looks just as stunning on the road as it does parked in your driveway. Moving inside, the 2025 Accord boasts a reimagined cabin that combines luxury with functionality. Soft-touch materials, premium upholstery, and a minimalist layout make the interior feel upscale. The centerpiece is a massive 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen, equipped with Honda's latest interface for seamless navigation and entertainment. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, with wireless connectivity making it even more convenient. There's also a 12-speaker premium sound system that delivers crystal-clear audio, perfect for those long drives or commutes. The Accord's interior isn't just about technology, it's about comfort too. The redesigned seats offer excellent support, whether you're in the front or the back. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and improved headroom, making the Accord a great choice for families or road trip enthusiasts. But the 2025 Accord isn't just about looking good and feeling comfortable, it's a performer as well. Under the hood, Honda offers multiple powertrain options to suit different driving needs. The base model features a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, paired with a smooth CVT, delivering a perfect balance of power and efficiency. For those seeking more punch, there's an upgraded 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, delivering over 250 horsepower for a more exhilarating drive. And let's not forget the hybrid model. The 2025 Accord Hybrid is designed for eco-conscious drivers, combining a 2.0-liter engine with electric motors for a remarkable blend of power and fuel efficiency. With an impressive estimated 50 miles per gallon, the hybrid Accord ensures you go farther with fewer stops at the pump. Honda has also refined the driving experience with improved suspension and steering dynamics. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the Accord feels agile and composed, making every drive enjoyable. Safety remains a top priority for Honda, and the 2025 Accord is packed with advanced features. Honda Sensing, the suite of driver assistance technologies, comes standard across all trims. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and traffic sign recognition. For added peace of mind, the Accord also features blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system on higher trims. With these systems, the Accord not only keeps you safe, but also makes everyday driving more convenient. Pricing for the 2025 Honda Accord starts at a competitive range, making it accessible for a wide audience. Honda continues to offer great value, delivering a premium sedan experience without breaking the bank. So, whether you're drawn to its bold design, innovative tech, or impressive performance, the 2025 Honda Accord is a car that checks all the boxes. It's a sedan built for modern drivers who demand style, efficiency, and reliability in one package. And that's all for today's feature on the 2025 Honda Accord. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Future Fuel for more updates on the hottest cars hitting the market. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.